is Yagar Casey. So this is like my first upload in the YouTube because like I have no idea what to. I'm gonna show you how my face care. Yeah, face care. That's how I call face care. This is like I supposed to be with my best friend because like no I have. So yeah, so I use this. But before we use this, you gotta brush your teeth. So boy, I got 3 toothpaste, 3 and 3 tatlong toothpaste. Okay, so follow nyo lang kami follow nyo ako sa TikTok. Kasi, well, yung dalawa ko kasi, meron silang TikTok. Yung isa private, yung isang private din, dalawa sila. Okay. So, I use Dove. It says Dove. You hear that, yeah? I wish y'all did at least on this. Well, that's done. Oh. Look at that selfie. It's like so cute. You can use over other soap. I just use soap. Sorry for the mess. Always keep them out. Shut it. This is for club. I've been inspired by Cindy Chow and you should master bro. I love your my shoes came. Okay, so it's not this thing down. It's washing. Okay, I'm not what I prefer to be share out. Yeah, let me show you. This is my shoes. This is Nike. Here. I am totally obsessed with this. Oh shit. So sticky here. I'm gonna right there. But then I'm gonna do left nails like in the hands. Cause I want to do it and there's nothing to get it. I'm gonna start off. Oh no. You gotta brush out it, okay? Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Oh, so yeah. Same right here. That way. Okay. I like some things. And I don't think I will do like this is the view. This is famous or nothing. Bye.